Oh, this match is going to be exciting. I can almost guarantee it.
Just being on the WrestleMania card is an accomplishment, but winning at WrestleMania, take it from me. That's the kind of stuff that makes careers.
Well, I remember when you beat King from pillar to post all over WrestleMania.
Da ti ja pokažem ko je mangup, jebe mi te usta, cinkaroška, pičketino jedna.
And approaching the ring, from Belgrade, Serbia, Bulldozer Kristijan Pain.
This one's going to be electric.
This guy certainly has his game face on. Beating him tonight is not going to be easy.
It's never easy.
Jajara Gradimir, koji na sebi ima 18 evra dugogodišnje garderobe.
And there's the bell. I think what we could see here is a classic chess match between these guys. I mean, one that's going to take power, speed, and aggression to win.
My God, his body's been through hell, and his ribs have bore the brunt of the attack.
And I hope we can get a doctor out here as a precaution. Damaged ribs like that can make it hard to breathe.
Another great night of action here tonight as WWE comes to you from the great city of Santa Clara. This is a wreck. He's moving like an uncaged animal.
No lie, he's wild in there.
We got a cover. 1, 2. And he kicks out.
And he lives to fight again.
What do you have to do to keep this guy down? He's pressing all the right buttons now. There's no quit in these guys, but unfortunately only one of them can be victorious here tonight. You can't put a price tag on landing that perfect strike, and that nailed him. When this guy's on, look out.
Uh-oh. Oh, that's devastating. I'm not sure I can watch this.
From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious injuries.
No kidding. This is going to need some serious medical attention. Wow. He's still down after that. Oh, this may very well end it. That's it. He's out. Hey, This may very well be it.
And a kick out.
The kick out's all that saved him. This match goes on. Oh, there is no quit in this man tonight.
You gotta be kidding me. I can't believe this. We may have just seen a career come to an end right here.
Here we go. Here we go. He's hanging on for dear life.
There's your winner, ladies and gentlemen.
Oh, what a spectacular match. Oh boy, that was a spectacular performance. I can't believe what we saw during this one.
Here's your winner, Bulldozer Kristijan Pain.
What a nasty hold that was. Oh, yeah, you get caught in that, and you have no choice but to tap out.
Boy, and he tapped out pretty quickly. Well, like you said, he had no choice. Wow, he absolutely manhandled him there toward the end.
And there's no denying that the Santa Clara crowd clearly liked what they just saw. Would you listen to them?
Ne pobedim sam.